Step 1. Click on File / Save As / Browse / File Type Excel Macro Enabled Workbook XLSM / Save As. Step 2. Then click on File, Options, Customize Ribbon. Scroll down on the right-hand side and tick the developer box. OK. Step 3. Then click on the Developer tab and then Macro Security, and then tick the bottom box of Enable VBA codes. Not recommended. Potentially dangerous code can run. Step 4. Then save down the file. Then close the file. And then reopen. Step 5. Then go on to Visual Basic. And then Insert / Module. Then paste in the code which is in the description.
Step 1. Start off by looking at line 16 and amend the file path so that it looks at the folder which contains the files that you wish to merge and include a / at the end of the file path. Step 2. Then for line 19 amend the name of the file so that you set the name of the merged files and make sure that the .pdf is included at the end as it is currently merged files for the file name that it will output. What it does, the code will look at all PDF files saved down in the file and will merge all of the individual separate PDF files into one large file and will then output the file once finished to the file that you want it to be called. Please note that if you do not have an Adobe license on your computer, then this code will not work.
Thanks for watching. If you wish to reach out to me for personalized work, please use the email of anonymous93220@gmail.com.